Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all of you to my channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about some Vastu remedies, numerology, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. So if you all are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. So let's get started and let's move on towards our today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about flying birds. I'll be telling you in detail that what are the benefits of placing flying birds in your home. You can even place a portrait of flying birds or metal flying birds in the northwest direction of your home. And I'll be telling you that how can you gain the maximum benefits out of these flying birds. देखिए, जब भी आप फ्लाइंग बर्ड्स को अपने राउंड में देखते हैं तो उस वक्त क्या आपके ध्यान में आता है? ऐसी कौन सी थॉट्स है जो आपके माइंड में हिट करती हैं जब आप फ्लाइंग बर्ड्स को अपने अराउंड में देखते हैं? तो जब हम फ्लाइंग बर्ड्स को देखते हैं तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि काश हमारे भी ऐसे पंख होते, हमारे भी ऐसे फेदर्स होते, हम कहीं भी उड़ सकते या कहीं उड़ सकती, कहीं भी मैं जा सकती, किसी भी कंट्री में या किसी भी स्टेट में मैं ट्रैवल कर पाती या कर पाता। काश हमारी भी एक ऐसी फ्री लाइफ होती, बिना किसी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस के, बिना किसी लिमिटेशंस के या बिना किसी रोक टोक के हम भी ऐसी एक फ्री लाइफ, फ्री स्पिरिट सोल की तरह एक लाइफ जी सकते। ऐसी ना ऐसी थॉट्स कभी ना कभी ज़रूर हमारे माइंड में आती हैं जब भी हम फ्लाइंग बर्ड्स को अपने राउंड में देखते हैं। सो इट रिप्रेजेंट्स, फ्लाइंग बर्ड्स रिप्रेजेंट्स ट्रैवल, स्पीड, मूवमेंट, फ्री लाइफ, life which is free from all the limitations, all the restrictions, where there are no limitations. So if you want to travel abroad, for example, if you want to settle in abroad, you want to settle your business, or you want the best job in any particular country, or you want to marry a person, someone in abroad, then you can place a portrait of white flying birds or portrait of colorful flying birds in the northwest direction of your home, because this direction also brings travel luck into your life, and flying birds are itself the symbolic representation of traveling, speed, movement, a free life. So if you want to travel abroad, if you want to settle there permanently, then place this portrait in the northwest direction of your home. If not portrait, you can also place metal flying birds in the northwest direction. That will also do wonders in your life, in your travel life. This will bring travel luck into your life. And along with this, what you can do, this is a very powerful manifestation technique, and this will also do wonders in your life. Along with it, you have to take a small paper. You can take a white blank paper. Don't take a paper which has got lines in it. So just take a white blank paper and write your wish on that paper. So just an example, for example, if you want to settle in Australia, you want the best job in Australia, then you can write on that paper your wish that you have got the best job in Australia. So this is just an example. You can take any country where you want to fly in. So you can write it there and just fold that paper and place that paper at the back of the flying birds. And this will do wonders in your life, in your travel life. This will bring travel luck into your life. And this will provide you great benefits with respect to your traveling. And if you are a traveler, you love traveling and exploring new places, interacting with a lot of people, you like communicating and exploring different regions, cultures, this will do great job in your life. So do follow this remedy and it will really help you a lot in your travel luck. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about numerology, spirituality, some crystal healing tips, you need some Vastu remedies, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, Vastu, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. I have mentioned the links in my description box, so you can just go and check it out there. So thank you so much for watching my video.